Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. This is part 1 of Understanding FINRA, what it does and why it matters in finance. Keeping the financial markets fair and trustworthy is no small task. That's where FINRA steps in. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority works to protect investors and ensure brokerage firms operate ethically. Whether you're buying stocks or seeking financial advice, FINRA plays a key role in maintaining confidence in the system. Understanding its purpose can help you make informed decisions and avoid potential risks. Overview of FINRA. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, serves as a cornerstone of investor protection and market integrity. It operates as a self-regulatory organization, overseeing broker-dealers in the United States. To understand its role today, let's explore how it was established and its mission in the financial industry. History and formation. FINRA was born from the need to strengthen oversight in the securities industry. It was established in July 2007 through the merger of two key organizations, the National Association of Securities Dealers, NASD, and the regulatory arm of the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE regulation. This merger combined decades of experience under one umbrella, aimed at creating a streamlined and effective watchdog for broker-dealers. Before FINRA, NASD had been regulating securities firms since the 1930s. It was one of the first self-regulatory bodies formed under the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. Similarly, NYSE regulation had been monitoring the exchange and its members for years, ensuring compliance with federal laws. By uniting these two organizations, FINRA gained the tools and resources to modernize oversight and better respond to the evolving financial marketplace. Today, FINRA operates independently, but its authority is delegated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. This structure allows FINRA to focus on regulating its members and enforcing rules, while the SEC oversees the broader securities market. Mission and purpose. FINRA's mission is simple yet essential: to protect investors and uphold market integrity. Its work ensures that anyone participating in the securities market, whether buying stocks, selling bonds, or offering advisory services, can do so in a fair and transparent environment. To achieve this, FINRA focuses on several core objectives. Regulatory oversight. FINRA sets rules for around 3,400 broker-dealers and their registered representatives. These rules aim to prevent fraud, conflicts of interest, and unethical practices. Investor protection. By monitoring firms and individuals, FINRA helps ensure investors' interests come first. It also provides resources, such as the broker check tool, to empower investors to make informed decisions. Market surveillance. FINRA uses advanced technology to monitor billions of trades daily, identifying unusual activity that may indicate manipulation or other threats to market stability. Enforcement. When brokers or firms violate rules, FINRA takes action. This can include fines, suspensions, or even expelling firms from the industry. In essence, FINRA exists to act as a referee in the financial market, ensuring everyone plays by the same rules. Without this oversight, confidence in the market would waver, making it harder for businesses to raise capital and for individuals to invest securely. Regulatory functions of FINRA. FINRA is the backbone of market regulation in the brokerage industry. Its goal is to enforce fairness, transparency, and compliance so that investors can trust the system. From inspecting trading practices to taking action against bad actors, FINRA ensures the rules of the financial markets are followed. Below, we break down how it tackles its key responsibilities. Market regulation. FINRA monitors trading activity to maintain fair and orderly markets. Think of it as a referee, ensuring everyone sticks to the playbook. Using advanced surveillance systems, it reviews billions of trades each day. This technology helps detect manipulative tactics like insider trading or price manipulation that may disrupt market integrity. When it spots unusual patterns, FINRA digs deeper to understand what's happening. It collaborates with exchanges and other regulators to address any potential violations. By staying vigilant, FINRA ensures that markets remain transparent and free from deceptive practices. Enforcement actions. When someone breaks the rules, FINRA steps in to hold them accountable. Its enforcement team investigates cases involving fraud, unethical behavior, and non-compliance with industry regulations. Whether it's a firm overcharging clients or a broker giving misleading advice, FINRA doesn't shy away from taking action. Here's what enforcement might look like. Fines. Firms or individuals can face steep monetary penalties. Suspensions. Brokers may lose their ability to operate for months or years. Expulsions. In severe cases, parties can be permanently banned from the industry. These measures aren't just punitive, they send a message that violating rules has consequences. This deters others from making the same mistakes. Licensing and registration. Before anyone can work as a broker-dealer or represent a securities firm, they must be licensed and registered through FINRA. This isn't a one-time affair. Licensing requires ongoing education and compliance to ensure all representatives remain qualified. The process involves passing industry exams. Applicants take exams like the Series 7 or Series 63, which test their knowledge of financial products and regulations. Background checks. FINRA screens applicants for past misconduct to protect investors from bad actors. Ongoing education. Licensed representatives must complete regular training to stay updated on new rules and practices. By enforcing strict licensing standards, FINRA ensures that brokers serving investors are competent and trustworthy. This protects both the financial system and individual investors from preventable harm. FINRA's regulatory functions are critical in upholding trust and fairness. Its work in market oversight, enforcement and licensing creates a safer environment for everyone involved in the securities industry. Investor protection initiatives. Protecting investors is central to FINRA's mission. By offering resources, education and support, FINRA ensures that investors can make informed decisions while addressing conflicts when they arise. Here's how they do it. FINRA Investor Education Foundation. The FINRA Investor Education Foundation plays a critical role in promoting financial literacy. It works to arm investors with the knowledge needed to navigate the complexities of finance. Why? Because informed investors are less likely to fall victim to scams or make costly errors. The foundation provides a range of educational tools, such as workshops and webinars, covering topics like retirement planning, budgeting, and avoiding fraud. Online resources, interactive tools and guides available for free on their website. Research studies, insights into investor behaviors to help develop better educational programs. A key initiative includes reaching underserved communities, ensuring that financial literacy is accessible to everyone. For example, the foundation partners with local organizations to deliver tailored programs, focusing on real-life financial challenges many face. By bridging knowledge gaps, the foundation empowers individuals to take charge of their financial futures. Complaint resolution and mediation. When disputes arise between investors and financial firms, FINRA steps in to help smooth things over. Instead of letting conflicts drag on in courtrooms, FINRA offers practical solutions through arbitration and mediation services. Here's how they make it work. Complaint filing. Investors can file complaints directly through FINRA's website. This starts the process of addressing concerns like unauthorized transactions or bad advice. Arbitration, a legally binding process where neutral professionals review both sides of the dispute and decide the outcome. Mediation, a collaborative option where a mediator helps both parties reach a mutual agreement. Mediation is often faster and less expensive than formal arbitration. It also allows investors and firms to maintain better relationships by resolving issues amicably. Through these services, FINRA ensures investors have a straightforward path to seek resolution when problems occur. This not only reinforces trust, but also helps maintain accountability across the financial industry. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like and share to continue your journey to financial success.